Today's lesson is multiplying by 2 and 3-digit numbers. Your I can statement today: I can multiply a number by 2 and 3-digit numbers. Remember our vocabulary words for multiplication. The first one is product, which is the answer to a multiplication problem. And the second one is factor. A factor are the numbers that we use to multiply. Let's take a quick commercial break to watch a video.
Here's how you multiply 59 by 25. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry the 4 and write the 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Then add the 4 and it's 29. We write a 0 when we multiply the tens. 2 times 9 is 18. Write the 8, but the 1 carries. 5 times 2 equals 10. Then add the 1 and you get 11. Add the numbers up, and that is the product. I said add the numbers up, and that is the product.
We need to write a 0 when we multiply the tens. Add the numbers up, and that's the product.
Now coming on the scene is 23 times 19. 3 times 9 is 27. Write the 7, carry the 10s. 2 times 9 is 18. Add the 2 when you get 20. Then write a 0 when we multiply the 10s. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2. And now we know just what to do. Add the 2 numbers up and then get 437. Add the 2 numbers up and then get 437. Add the 2 numbers up and then visit numberrock.com.
We need to write a 0 when we multiply the tens. Add the numbers up, and that's the product.
I'm a stuffed animal.
When we do long multiplication, we check it with the inverse operation. The product becomes the dividend. The divisor is the multiplier or multiplicand. Think computing with precision. We do the long division. If the quotient is the other factor, then we know we've got the right answer.
We need to write a 0 when we multiply the tens. Add the numbers up, and that's the product.
I'm a stuffed animal, and I'm here to tell you that if the numbers contain decimals, the extra work is minimal. Simply multiply everything like before, and there's just one step more. Count the number of decimal places. Then move left in the product that many spaces. That's where the decimal point's written, and every space to the left is dividing by 10. Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more.
Now let's take a look at some examples. Example 1, 678 times 25. So we're going to try and use the writing tool here. Okay, we're going to use the writing tool here and do our example. We're going to write out 678 times 25. Now we're going to start with the ones column here, the 5. We'll do 5 times 8 is 40. Put the 0 down and carry the 4. See if I can mute my computer there. Now 5 times 7 is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Put the 2 down and carry the 3. Then 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3 is 33. Now we have completed the ones, and I like to cross these ones out as well. Moving over to the tens column, so I'm going to put my magic 0 there. And we keep going back and forth like we did with the 5. We start with 2 times 8 is 16. Put the 6 down and carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus that 1 is 15. And carry that one. And then 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And then we add 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then there's that 1. I'm not sure what happened there with that random line, but 16,880. Okay, here we have our second example. This is a 3-digit times a 3-digit number. We've done a lot of these in the classroom. Just a review, we're going to write it this way: 861 times 381. We're going to start here with the ones digit place, then we'll move over to the tens, and then to the hundreds, making sure to keep as many things lined up as we can to make my adding easier and make sure I get it correct in the end. Okay, start with 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 8 is 8. Now I'm already did that one. Sometimes it helps to cross it out. I'm moving over to the tens place value, so I need that magic 0 to say I'm in the tens place value. Now I'm going to do 8 times 1, 8 times 6, and 8 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. I place that down. 8 times 6 is 48. I can only write the 8 and carry the 4. And 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68. I did the 8, and I added that 4. Now I'm moving over. This is in the hundreds place value. Hundreds has 3 digits, or 2 zeros, and it's in the third spot. So I need to put 2 zeros down there. And now I'm going to do 3 times 1, then 3 times 6, and 3 times 8. So we'll do 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. And 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And then we will add. This time we need to add 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. And carry the 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Put the 0 down and carry the 2. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus the 2 I carried is 18. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12. And carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Count 3 over for that comma. Now it's your turn. Now that you watched the video and we did some practice, I want you to go back to the assignments and complete the quiz that's on forms. It's under the video and there is a link to the form quiz. Please make sure that you are writing things correctly if it's a written problem, and select the right answer if it is a multiple choice problem. Remember everything we've done with multiplication. If you're struggling, you can send me a message on Teams so that I can help you. Have fun, remember what we learned in multiplication, and continue to work.